Hey guys, I've got a nice simple video today on how to change your Widex CeruStop wax filters in 3 easy steps. Take the rubber dome on the end of your hearing aid in one hand and the hearing aid receiver, which is this hard component, in your other, and then gently pull. Be careful not to squeeze the rubber dome on tightly when you're doing this, as you can make it more difficult to remove. I tend to find it's easier to pinch it on the side like this and then pull. You'll notice that the white filter on the end is now exposed just here. This here is the wax filter that we're changing today. It's something that I would recommend doing once every 4 to 6 weeks. Next, put your hearing aid down for a second and let's prepare the filters. Here's your packet of filters, of which there are 8 in total. Remove one like so, and you'll see one end with your replacement filter just here, and the other is an anchor to remove your old dirty wax filter. Take the receiver of the hearing aid in one hand and the filter tool in the other. And then I want you to push the empty end into the existing filter until you feel a very gentle click. You only need to give it a gentle push and then pull it out. There's no need to twist, it's just a simple push and pull motion needed to remove the old one. Next, spin the tool around and push the replacement filter into the end of the receiver that you've removed the old filter from. Again, this doesn't require a great degree of force, so be gentle, otherwise you can distort the shape of the filter and it may not stay in place. And you're pretty much done. Finally, pick up the rubber dome and reattach it to the end of your hearing aid, giving it a little pull to make sure it's on properly. You're all set now. Watch this video for the best hearing aids